Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today is another cooking episode with yours truly, Teacher Kathy. In this episode, I'm gonna share to you my recipe of Chinese-style spareribs. Here are the ingredients. We need dried chili, hot soybean paste, 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 pieces star anise, 1 stalk onion leeks, and 2 tablespoons of rice wine. For the brining, we need 1/8 cup of rock salt, 1 teaspoon 5-spice powder, 3 cloves minced garlic, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 stalk onion leeks, 3 pieces star anise, 1 tablespoon black peppercorn, and of course, we need ½ kilo of spare rib. To start with, we're going to brine the pork. It is important to brine the pork because it adds the flavor and maintains the moisture of the protein. So let's start. First, we're going to add in all the ingredients. For ½ kilo of spare ribs, we need ½ liter of water. Let this boil for 15 minutes to allow the ingredient to bring out its aroma. Then let it cool and add the pork. For this kind of cut, 1 to 2 hours of brining is good enough. And when it's done, it's time to blanch the pork. Now we need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a medium-high heat. Then we add sugar. Now add the pork. Okay, then add the minced garlic. Onion leeks. Star anise, hot soybean paste, add the soy sauce. Now add 1/2 cup of water. Then cover and simmer for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. I added chili peppers, and also please make sure that you stir it from time to time to avoid being burnt or over-reduced. Now, I think this one is ready to be served. You may sprinkle with sesame seeds and spring onions. Chinese-style pork spare ribs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice weekend and thank you for watching!